Yeah. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Ooh, hold on, it's a little humid. Freddie and I are up, getting ready to start the day. Gonna go get some breakfast from Pier 8. This is one of the restaurants we went to for dinner, and it was really, really good, so I want to try their breakfast. It's kind of like a cook to serve, so they'll make it once you sit. That's what we're getting ready to head to right now. Yeah, this is fine. Thank you. The thing I like about this restaurant is it's like an open air concept. So you're covered under like a pavilion, but you're still outside. And it's right next to the beach, so you still get like all the views of like the hills and the water and stuff like that. So it's good. Plus they do, instead of like buffet style breakfast, they bring the breakfast to your table and they cook it to order. So it's always like really fresh, and I like that. At least dinner wise it was like that, right? I don't know, breakfast I think it's like that. This is our first time, so we'll find out. Huh? Yeah. But it was good. Yeah. Because I was saying I think they have some a la carte options too if you wanted it. Thank you. That looks good.
Right here is to accompany your French toast.
Okay, thank you.
That's some maple syrup, and this is some strawberry sauce.
Okay, maple syrup and strawberry sauce for the French toast sticks. Thank you. Breakfast is served, you guys. French toast, eggs, sauteed potatoes with sausage, maple syrup and strawberry sauce, and then Freddie just copied me. No, I thought you were gonna get pancakes.
No, you said you were getting pancakes.
I told you in the room I was getting French toast. I seen the menu yesterday. Y'all, breakfast done. It's done. It's so good. So good. That strawberry sauce, I think it did it to me. It was like eating a cinnamon bun. That's how good the French toast was. It was like a cinnamon bun. It had like little pieces of cinnamon and sugar on it. How was yours?
Good.
It was really, really good.
You gotta come back again.
Freddie said he come back tomorrow. Definitely worth the wait, because there's a little bit of a wait when you come here, because they cook it to order, so it's like different than, you know, when you go to the buffet, you just go in and get what you want, quick and easy.
It's normal time.
Yeah, but I mean, like,
yeah,
compared to the buffet.
Yeah.
So like yesterday, we ate at the buffet, and you just kind of go and get what you want.
Guys, okay?
Yes, thank you. Everything was good.
How was your meal? Good?
Yes.
Delicious. Absolutely loved it. I need to sit down. Look at these gorgeous views. I love these hilltops right here. It always reminds me when we go to places like this how flat Florida really is.
Yeah.
Because I think everywhere else in the world has like hills and mountains and stuff like that. Our beaches is kind of like looking this way. This is what we look. This is what we see. You know. So we're gonna. Oops, sorry. Walk over this way. Oh, you know, I still haven't gone to the jerk hut yet. Right here. We'll go later this afternoon.
We're gonna be going there.
Yeah, when we come back, go to the jerk hut. It smells good. All you can eat jerk chicken right here. So Freddie and I are walking over here to where the dolphins are. They have like a little dolphin section right over here. So we're gonna go check it out. It's They have a couple of other things too, I think, over there. Like the boat tours, I think scuba diving excursions, and some other stuff. Look at the cabanas.
How you doing?
Good morning. Alright guys, so right over here, we've arrived to Dolphin Cove here at Moon Palace. This is one of the excursions that they offer where you can go swim and take pictures with dolphins. And they have like a little section screened off. We're gonna try to get a little close and see if we can see some of the dolphins. He said you could come over through this way and you can watch the dolphins. So they're over this, right over this area right here. See if I can get close enough to see the dolphins. Oh, they're not out yet, but where?
It just came up.
I missed it.
See?
Oh!
It's one over there.
Hey, let me come down this way. The tree's in the way. What's a bee?
Come on.
Oh, there it went.
There he is.
I see him. See the dolphins? There's two of them. Dolphins! Alright, right over this way is where we were at yesterday, paddleboarding and doing that tricycle thing that nearly broke my legs, y'all. That thing was tough. But the kayaking was fun. That was fun out here. I enjoyed that. And then we took the catamaran on a boat tour that went around that way and back towards the islands over there, so you can see some of the attractions and stuff that they had. But we were out here and it was nice. Here's the flow rider. Freddie think he bold enough to do this again. We did it one time, a long time ago. We got somewhere to go right now, but we're gonna try and do it. If not today, maybe tomorrow. He said he's gonna try it. I ain't trying it. You can try it. This thing is tough. Don't let these little kids fool you. But right now we need to head back to the room, go get changed up. So we're heading back to the room to go get changed up, like I was saying, for our little excursion that we're about to go on. And yo, these views though, like every time we walk past, I'm like, I gotta take them in. Every time. It's just breathtaking right now. So gorgeous. It feels good to be inside, y'all. It was hot out there.
It got hot quick.
Yes, we was only out there for a little while taking some pictures by the dolphins. I was like, oh my God, I got sunburned that fast. I came back in, got changed. We're getting ready to go on an excursion with Kwanda and Damien. So we're gonna head down there to meet with them in just a moment. And I put on my swimsuit. I'll probably show it when we go out there, because I think—
You got a blue one on, right?
Yeah. Freddie's trying to match me, y'all. I be telling y'all. Go ahead, Freddie. You look good. Like you're gonna go scuba diving with them pants. His water pants or whatever. But yeah, so just came back in to get some cool breeze, change into our swim attire for the excursion that we're getting ready to go on. And we're gonna be leaving in just a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started down that way. And we'll see you guys when we get on the bus. Right? It's a transport bus that's gonna take us there?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. So yeah, so we'll catch up with y'all then. I'm really excited for this excursion. It's gonna be fun. From what I see, fun and relaxing, which is what I need. And I think it's shaded. So we made it to our destination. Getting ready to do the temperature test before we get on the raft. Oh, it's so pretty. Alright? Look at the river.
Oh, wow.
It's the river. So nice and tropical. The sound so relaxing. I'm gonna be asleep.
Again? I know.
What you mean again? I was up. I was up. Some souvenirs. And they have the bar.
I don't need to go to the restaurant.
Look over here. It's pretty though. You can see the river. Yeah.
Are y'all the group from Florida?
Yeah.
Okay, we're from South Carolina.
Oh, nice to meet you. The herb garden. They got bush cabbage, aloe vera, shea maca, penny royale, some tuna. Pretty. These are what the rafts look like. Some of them. The bamboo rafts. And they take you down the river. They were saying that normally this water is clear, but because it rained yesterday, all the rain that came down the hills brought the mud into the water, so it's a little murky looking. But it's still pretty.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
No.
We're on the road.
Straight. Clean.
Nice to meet you, Kayla.
Kayla?
Yep.
Okay. Straight and clear, no problem.
They was the ones that was actually first, the ones behind us.
They stopped for drink.
Oh.
We had to get drinks.
We had a good time.
Yeah.
I got a little wet, sat on the edge, got to push. It was too much.
She was the captain of the ship.
Hey! For a little while I got to do it. Oh, you want to take a look at the photos? Alright, we made it back from our excursion. It was lots of fun. But now we have to shower up and get dressed and get ready for dinner. Had a good time, love?
No. I'll get me a piece of jerk pork, then go to the room.
Okay. We're gonna do what Damien doing.
2 hours away. I'm hungry.
We're not going more than an hour without eating, and we done went like 2, 3, 4 hours. Okay? Yeah, so we're gonna get a piece of jerk pork and go to the room and change. We eat and get ready at the same time. We just had a snack before dinner. Remember we said we're gonna eat, snack, sleep, snack, eat, snack. Huh? You wanna go in the waterfall? Didn't you just say your leg hurt? How you going in the waterfall? Oh, I have not ate at Jerk Hut yet. Is that where we're going to get it? Yes. I haven't had food at the Jerk Hut yet. You going where? Oh, okay. So gorgeous, Jamaica. Love it. It's crazy because it's like back home we have these same types of views, but it's not the same, you know? I think them hills is what make it so different for me. You just come out as boats and hills and mansions. Gorgeous. Alright, so the Buccaneers buffet and the Jerk Hut just literally closed. We missed it by a few minutes. So we're gonna go to the gourmet pizza place and the sandwich shop. Yeah, they open up at 7, which we're gonna be going by 7. We got reservations. But we can go to the pizza place. They got good food. Or the sandwich shop. They're good. Something's open. Something's always open. You just gotta figure out which one. There's pizza. We're gonna get some pepperoni pizzas. And then that's the sandwich shop over there. But I knew they had pizza. We'll just get a slice of pizza. So we are finally dressed and ready to go for our dinner date tonight. We're finally gonna hit up Momo's, which is the place that we thought we were gonna be eating at yesterday, but there was like a mix-up with the reservation times. So we're actually going to go and eat there tonight, which we're really excited about because it's a hibachi, and it's gonna be our celebratory meal to celebrate our anniversaries. And so we got dressed up for it today. Freddie got on his attire, and I'm dressed. Y'all, I put heels on today. Yes. And so we're getting ready to head out now because we don't want to be late. We're trying to get there early. Yeah, so let's get ready to head out, baby. Ready? You got everything?
I'm gonna grab some lotion real quick.
All right. I'm gonna try to get some boomerangs before we go. I'm trying to figure out this Instagram thing, y'all. Give me a minute. The infamous Momo. Come on. quit. I can't eat no more. It was too much. Go ahead, Freddie. Freddie getting his first Bob Marley. I'm done, thank you. Turn the drink. Keep turning. How'd it taste? Sorry. Good? I told you, it's very sweet. Very sweet.
Then we got the Ziggy. Ziggy Marley.
Damien, how's your Ziggy? Let me see. The Ziggy Marley and the Bob Marley.
Ask her how's her water.
How's your water? I got water too. It's great.
It's great.
It's refreshing.
We can't see it in the camera. Go over a little bit. Right now. There you go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Slide over, Damien. All they see is your mom. We're going to come up some so Damien can come over some right there. Alright. Dinner was lovely. And after dinner we came back into the room to change because we wanted to feel a little more comfortable before we get ready to head out for this show.
Some looser clothes.
Yeah, the food had certain people's shirts a little tight. So we changed shoes and clothes.
Yeah.
Hey girl. Sleepy? Oh, now you sleepy. That's how I was at the table.
That's why I was like, did she fall? Karen, he outside.
He in bed.
Yes, he's in bed.
Bye. Bye.
You say nobody get in the bed.
Yeah, you sit in a chair.
He told me not to get in the bed.
I lay right down in the bed.
I did too. I said, shoot, give me 10 minutes.
And I was so confused. I was like, wait, why did I said, let me text her. Did she go to bed?
I said,
I was real comfortable.
if they don't say nothing, I'm not going to say nothing.
Whatever you said. I said, you said
You in bed, bro?
Damien was getting real comfy.
I was. Before I got too comfy, I'm like, Kayla, I'm ready.
So we're getting ready to head down to the magic show.
We'll get some proper
It's not even that late. It's like 8:30, but that food gave everybody the itis. So you guys remember the seminar we talked about that we went to go look at with the breakfast and whatnot? This is the Diamond Club. This is the membership. They sit up here in the front. Exclusivity.
I like it. So good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me welcome you to my beautiful home island of Jamaica. Welcome to Moon Palace, Jamaica, but most of all, welcome to Showtime. My name is Yashawn and I'll be your host for tonight's show. And tonight, there is $1 million question we must all answer. Do you believe in magic? For those of you who believe, you are about to be wowed, and if you don't believe, then you are definitely about to. We have a talented, vibrant individual who is ready to warp reality before your very eyes and play with the very fantasies of your imagination. Make it nice and loud for Kamarsh, the wizard, giving to you our magic show.
So the show just finished. It was good. We had a good time. We stayed up and made it through the whole show. Now it's time to go to bed. That guy was pretty good.
Yeah.
He was good. He got me.
He was good.
Either I was sleepy or he was really doing magic. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and call it a night and we'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.